Hello and welcome to our Create a Form video. So today we begin in our list of existing forms, and above this list, to the right hand side of our filter search, is a blue button that says Add New Form. We're going to click this. This then asks us a bunch of information about our brand new form. So what would we like to call it? I would like to name this one Test123. I then want to redirect to the home page. And below we have our fields. So name and email address are automatically in here. And I want to add a brand new field. This is going to be a message box. So we have a list of field types that we can choose to have. So we have text, string, text multiline, checkbox, radio button, drop down, and file. And for this one, I would like to pick text multiline. Fantastic. So once we've done this, we click save and our brand new form will be created for us. So just to recap, we have created a form today, and as you can see, our form is here, ready for us to use.